So the next phase of the marine insurance that we have to look at, obviously after we take care of the valuation of the boat, is the liability. I think that's the second most important thing on a marine insurance policy. A lot of people just say, "Oh, give me the minimum coverage." Well, frankly, if you own a home, the minimum coverage doesn't cover that alone. I see this all the time on home insurance, especially on auto insurance. Some people just say, "Give me the 100, 300, the minimum the state requires." Frankly, if you injure someone and they sue you, would that amount cover just alone the cost of or the value of your home? You got to think about what your true assets are. And that includes everything, all your cars, all your properties, any rental properties, and values of your business. You don't want to leave that exposed in the event you injure someone and they sue you. That's what the liability portion is for. It's not designed so that, oh, if somebody hits me, I'm safe. That's uninsured boater. We can discuss that on another time. But your valuation. We write in our office a minimum of $500,000 of liability. The cost difference between 300 and 500,000 is about 30 to 50 bucks a year. So it's not worth the time to go for low limits. If you own a home, if you have pools, if you have extra toys, frankly, we would recommend $1 million unless you have a personal umbrella policy on your homeowners, which will then cover underlying policies such as your auto, your home, your boats, your jet skis, and all that. You have to check with your carrier depending upon the company. We have many carriers in here that we write home and auto with that will have an umbrella policy that goes over and above the underlying policy. So what an umbrella does is it gives you, say, $1 million on top of the $500,000 that we write with your boat insurance. So in theory, in the event you get injured or you injure someone and they sue you, you now have $1.5 million worth of coverage. So it's cheap insurance. It's something we can discuss on your home and autos. But on marine insurance, I don't think anybody who owns a boat should have anything less than $500,000 because you just don't know what's going to happen. And we've seen the claims, actually. So we'll get into uninsured boater and other coverages in marine insurance in another talk.